Welcome. Today we're going to run through the Victorian Sale 1 flow from start to finish. We'll start off by creating a sale matter within triConvey. Once we're in our matter, just remember to access the trisearch 1 flow, you do need a matter number. So once that's been generated, we'll go ahead and click on our trisearch tab within our matter. This will launch one flow in the central screen and you'll get the usual welcome screen. Up the top, we do have a slight change in structure. You can still access your all services for your state-based searching for properties, company, people, and courts. You can also use the magnifying glass icon to search trisearch for a particular certificate. Your profile icon now gives you access to your settings, price lists, reporting, as well as the welcome tour. And next to that, we have this new purple AI icon for support. Here you can chat to an AI about our products and services, or about the matter, lodge support tickets, follow up on documents, and many more. Just simply type your question below. Let's start off with our onboarding. On the left, we can click our client onboarding. This handles our VOI, PEPs, sanctions, client authorization forms, and adverse media checks, all in one spot. Results are fed straight back into the matter file, so you're not chasing data or uploading files manually. The next milestone is our section 32. Once we've confirmed our address or entered our volume folio numbers in, we can simply go ahead and click Look Up. This may pre-fill if you've already entered this into the matter. In the next screen, we'll be able to confirm the property details and click Continue to move forward into ordering our certificates. In the center panel, you'll see all of your standard searches listed. Just simply tick an order. If you need something outside of this current list, you can click All Services up the top to get access to the relevant state and add the extra certificates as required. Once the certificates are ordered, we'll go ahead and hit Place Order. Once certificates are ordered, we'll now move on to editing our vendor statement. It's designed for speed with auto-populated fields, drop-downs, and simple tick boxes. The right-hand panel lets you jump between certain sections like land use, services, titles. Simply click on any item and you're taken straight to that section in the center. We can click on Continue to move on to our next milestone. Once you've completed the statement, you'll reach the review stage. In the center screen, here is where you can see and control all of your documents. On the left, all of your contract files and certificates that you've ordered will appear. You can drag and drop and place these into a particular running order if you like. You can click on the three dots to get into the file, to hide or delete, or we can also upload additional files from the matter or from your computer. When you're happy, simply click Compile. triConvey merges everything into a single PDF and saves it straight back into your matter. You can also share the vendor statement by clicking on the Share button or the drop-down to copy the link and paste as you see fit. In the next milestone, we'll click on our contract and edit contract. Here we'll have the ability to review and complete your LIV contract details. Vendor, purchaser, land, purchase price, etc. will all pre-populate based on the matter info. Navigation works the same way with the right-hand panel. Simply click on a particular section and you're taken to that part of the contract. To place our order, simply hit Place Order. In the next window, we will again have all of our contract files in the left-hand panel and the ability to upload more files if needed. And down the bottom right-hand side, you'll see the ability to compile, share, and copy the link if you wanted to. All of the contract information will still be uploaded back to your triConvey matter. The next milestone here is our settlement. This is where we can use the built-in Sedlet link to book directly, no separate logins required. The final milestone here is our electronic signing, using TriSign and DocuSign. This replaces the old version that would launch via your web browser, except now it's all built into the OneFlow ecosystem. Upload any additional documents from the matter and send them off for signing using triSearch's triSign. Finally, you've got a full overview of the matter and all certificates, documents and orders neatly grouped together under Orders and Documents. Below that, we also have a fee summary, which you can filter via the date, user, or category. You can also export it as a CSV or PDF, or just print as is. That's the Victorian workflow from start to finish. Welcome. Today we're going to run through the Victorian purchase OneFlow from start to finish. We'll start off by creating our purchase matter in triConvey. Once we're in our matter, just remember to access the triSearch OneFlow, you do need a matter number. So once that's been generated, we're going to go ahead and click on the triSearch tab within our matter. This will launch OneFlow in the central screen, and you'll get the usual welcome message. Up the top, we have a slight change in structure. You'll still have access to your all services for state-based searching, property, people, and court searches. Now you can use the magnifying glass icon to search triSearch for a particular certificate. Your profile icon will give you things like your settings, price lists, reporting, and also the welcome tour. And next to that, we have this purple AI icon for support. Here you can chat to an AI about our products and services, about the matter, lodge support tickets, follow up on documents and certificates, and many more. Just type your question below. The first thing that we're going to do is to verify our client. So by clicking on Client Onboarding and Verification. This gives you everything in one place. The client authorization form, VOI, PEPs, sanctions and adverse media checks. It's fast, centralized, and feeds all straight back into the matter. The next milestone is where we can order all of our certificates. Here, if we've entered a volume folio or address, it will pre-fill from the matter. If we haven't, we can simply enter in those details now. Go ahead and click Lookup to confirm the property details, and click Continue to move on to our certificate selection. For each search at the end of the line item, we can either view a sample of the certificate and see what the details it provides, also allowing us to have a correct certificate for our needs. Simply select the certificate required and go ahead and click Continue. In the next screen, we can confirm and go ahead and place the order for our certificates. If we do require more, we can go back and edit our certificate selection. Our next milestone is our settlement milestone. So for within our settlement milestone, you can book your settlement directly through Settle.it. No double entry or jumping between platforms. The final milestone here is our electronic signing using triSign and DocuSign. This replaces the old version that would launch via your web browser, except now it's all built into the OneFlow ecosystem. Upload any additional documents from the matter and send them off for signing using triSearch's triSign. At the very bottom, you've got a running list of all your searches and certificates via order and documents. Easy to access with the center column here. And we can also do a fee summary as well, where we can filter, run reports, and even export the fee summary as a PDF, CSV, or print as is. That's the Victorian purchase workflow.